question 24 is about ecosystem. It's given that the lemmatal worms are used by the farmer to prey upon insects that damage their crops. And this method, used to increase the crop yield, is an example of genetic modification, biological control, pesticide use, or fertilizer use. So this question actually is checking us the concept about the ecological interaction. So let's go through the answer one by one. First of all, is it an example of genetic modification? Not really, because from the case, there is no mention of changing any genetic makeup of the worms of the crops. So that's why option A, say goodbye. And then option B, biological control. It refers to the use of the living organism such as predator, parasite, or pathogen to control the pest population. And this method is environmentally friendly and reduce the need of the chemical pesticide. Therefore, option B is the answer. And then option C and D. Pesticides are chemical substances used to kill or to control the pests, including the insect, weed, fungi, or other organisms that harm the crops. But now, we are using the worms, but not the pesticide, not the chemical. Option C, say goodbye. And then option D, fertilize. Is it fertilizer? Not really. The method described in the question is focused on the pest control to protect the crops, but not improving the soil fertility or providing any nutrients to the plants. Therefore, option D also say goodbye. So you can see that the worms, they look like this, and then maybe the possible question variation. Next time, it may ask you to identify the ecological relationship between the worms and the pest. So you can refer to this table to describe, to identify the type of relationship between these two organisms. And then for the biological control, you can see that for the National 5 and for the HKDSE, there are several questions ask you about the ecological interaction, but also ask you about the ecological interaction or the ecological balance. So please watch the video for revision, not only for DSE, but also for your National 5. 去到第24條咧，有關於生態系統啦。今次咧，我哋就想講啦，一啲農民咧就會用啲線蟲去捕食一啲危害作物嘅昆蟲喎。咁啊，以下呢個方法咧，就係能夠增加到嗰個農作物嘅產量啦。係一個咩嘅例子咧？題目俾咗4個我哋嘅基因改良啦、生物防治啦、用殺蟲藥啦，同埋肥料嘅。咁啊，成條題目啦，其實咧係詐假意去考翻我哋有關於生物之間嘅互動啊，個生態互動啊。咁我哋睇下答案啦，做一擊破咯喎。第一個啦，喂，呢個方法係咪基因改良咧？其實就唔係嘅，因為啦，成條題目從來冇講過，喂，嗰啲蟲啊或者農作物嘅基因有咩嘅改變。我用個線蟲去殺死啲昆蟲啫嘛，線蟲係咁嘅款嘅，係嘛？昆蟲可能係啲蝗蟲啦，就殺死佢哋。咁但係啦，從來冇做過任何基因改良喎，咁所以啦 A 咧 say goodbye 啦。跟住到 B 啦，生物防治。生物防治其實就係用啲生物咧。例如啦，捕獵者啊、寄生蟲啊、病原體啊，去控制個害蟲嘅數量。咁呢個方法咧，其實就環保一啲嘅，係因為啦，能夠減少到咧用一啲化學嘅殺蟲劑。咁所以 B 咧就已經係答案啦。咁啊有啲體育精神啦，搞掂埋 C 同 D 佢啦。咁啊 C 係殺蟲藥，有冇用殺蟲藥啊？冇啊，都冇落到任何嘅化學物質去殺死啊，或者控制個害蟲嘅數量啊。咁啊包括啲昆蟲啊、野草啊、真菌啊諸如此類。咁佢哋都會害到啲農作物噶嘛。咁但係今次我哋冇落到任何農藥啊嘛，係咪？咁所以C 啊又 say goodbye 啦。跟住去到 D 咧就係用肥料咯喎，成個過程根本就只係講緊如何去防治嗰啲害蟲啫嘛。佢哋食我哋啲農作物啊唔好啊。咁呢個個案入面啦，有冇講到話點樣令到個泥土咧肥沃咗啊？提供養分俾啲植物啦？冇啊嘛。咁所以啦 D 咧都係 say goodbye。咁下次啦，佢會問你啲咩嘢咧？咁啊，例如問下啦，喂，呢個線蟲咧同嗰個害蟲啊之間有啲咩嘅生態互動咧？咁啊用翻呢個表啦，邊個得益啊，邊個受害啊，諸如此類咯喎。咁你試下留低你嘅答案。你睇我解呢咁多條嘅 MC 咧，你會發現咧，其實 National 5咧 同 DSE 其實真係有好多相似嘅地方㗎。今次就係問翻生物防治啦，我哋問長題，佢又問 MC， 咁當然佢都可以問長題嘅，係咪？咁所以啦，呢一堆嘅題目有關於生態互動啊、生態平衡啊、生物之間嘅關係啊，或者用呢啲方法嘅特徵啊、個功用啊，有咩好處啊？例如今次呢個方法咧，用線蟲去整死嗰啲昆蟲咧，其實係減少用農藥嘅喎，對環保係出到一分力嘅喎，諸如此類。今日快手睇下片，溫下書咯喎。